Oh my gosh, this is bad, like really bad. But don't worry, friends, because today we're tackling this disaster zone together. Get ready for a super satisfying 20-minute deep clean and organize with me. You won't believe the transformation. Hey, mamas, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be using the Blizz method. Have you heard of that? We're going to be focusing on burst of cleaning and organizing. I got my timer and my motivation. First, we'll declutter and then we'll clean, and then we're also going to organize. So let's do this. Okay, zone one. We're just going to kind of get through the clutter, right? Sorting, tossing toys into piles. The less stuff you have, the easier it is to clean or organize. And don't be afraid. Like, if you haven't used it, chances are you don't need it. So go ahead and toss it. Plus, okay, organization. Everything needs a home. So baskets, bins, drawers. Use whatever you have to create a system that works for you. I know for my action figures and stuff like that, you can also label it. Trust me, it does make a huge difference. And my kids are old enough now to kind of know, okay, here's the deal. Okay, this space becomes a dumping ground for my kids. Toys, dirty clothes, it all ends up in here in their room. Sound familiar? I know I'm not the only one, but I'm tired of the chaos and going in and looking at it. So I need a space where they can relax and play and just be kids. And I know you do too. So who else dislikes folding laundry? I feel like that's like my least favorite thing to do is laundry. I can put it in the washer and change it out. It's just the folding and putting it away, trying to find some place to put it. Let me know if you're like me down in the comments. Okay, guys, if your kids are like mine, they love to read. We do nighttime routines with them, and reading is one of their things that they love to do. But here we are going to tackle this mess. So here we have tons of books, and we're just going to put it in piles, a donate, trash, and then keep pile. I'm also going to make a pile of like seasonal books so that way I can store them away and just bring them out, Christmas, Easter time, stuff like that. It was particularly challenging because there was just so many books, but we're using the same method. It's just we're making progress. Remember, even small steps make a huge difference. Okay, so here you can kind of see that I have a couple piles. It kind of looks messy, but trust the process. We're getting organized and it's going to look so much better when we're done. So let's keep going. And then same thing, we're using the same method here. We're just going to go ahead and declutter and organize a little bit more and put stuff where it needs to go. So this is what I was talking about earlier about bins and baskets. This is what is very helpful for my kids, and this is what I do. So my kids like to put like their cars in one, and here you'll see I'll be dumping most of their cars because that's what they have most of in this big Spider-Man bin, and it just helps them to know, okay, all the cars go in here. And if, every couple weeks I go in and I try to organize for them to try to make it easier. But my 5-year-old, he's been really good at trying to keep it organized by himself as well.
Get on it. We're going to get on it. Okay, got it, boy. Okay, got it. Okay, got it, mom.
Okay, guys, here we are. We're just keep going with the chaos, right? If you're anything like me, it takes a while, but trust the process and you will get there. Okay, guys, we're getting to the finish line. So here we are. We're just changing out sheets and making the beds, making it all nice and clean. And soon we will do the reveal. Now that the clutter is gone, it's time to get down to the nitty gritty. We're sweeping up, getting all the garbage off the floor, wiping down furniture. This is where the magic happens. And honestly, there's something more satisfying than seeing a clean space emerge from the chaos. Am I right? Do you agree? And here it is, guys, the big reveal. Look at this space. It's so clean, so organized, and so much more functional. I feel better already. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Now it's your turn. Which area are you going to tackle first? Share your before and after photos in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cleaning and organization tips. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for cleaning with me.